Those who do not read are no better off than those who cannot read. And I would go a step further to argue that those who refuse to make time for reading are tragically poor, for they are needlessly holding themselves back. Brian Tracy argues that reading a few minutes each morning, on your lunch break, or before bed is the key to success in any field. And I agree. Done. You've just invested in yourself by depositing KASH, knowledge, attitude, skills, and habits into your leadership cash box. I'm Hannah K. Herdlinger, president of Cashbox Coaching, and I help leaders like you achieve rapid breakthroughs every day. Now, it's time to supercharge these breakthroughs and turn them into rock-solid results. Ready to step up your leadership and fast-track your growth? Secure your spot in our exclusive 90-day leadership program now and unlock the next level of success. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and leading with unstoppable purpose.